Me see people, ah, say they not do no preparation, brother, for this a same thing. Make I tell you something. Me then live through Gilbert, and my Almighty God. When you hear say be in a house, and when you look, brother, you see one cloud come up over the hillside. I mean, set up Clifford. You see that cloud there where you see come up. A heavy water that you know. And Almighty to the tone. When we in a house, we listen, we hear roop, roop, roop. The whole of the house stop a tear off with heavy water. And the breeze take the coconut tree, brother. And he rock him so, and he dip him so. And he rock him so, and he dip him so. One at the time he said, no, God Almighty, that the coconut tree can't live out this year storm. Yo, they don't see him way with coconut funny. I mean, number one, that the coconut tree be dead because of that the one the wind standing between Beryl. Me call me name Fanny Band. A whole heap of them me piece out, but everybody knows say Winston are the most grateful one me have. The other one, sometimes they up, sometimes they down, but you can't sit and no pat pan them, but me can tell you say mark it down 10. So anyhow, Winston tell me say him is going to do it, him is going to do it. Go. Hey mama, but we turn up in a house and we look and zinc a fly in a ear. People house stop fly right off of the house left the pure God Almighty dab and wackle. He one whole pan down a button bottom full up. The whole of the Gatling, he mean Lego beast them, and the other whole vagabond them from up at top. Creep up themselves, gone down there, but then gone swim, then gone a pool. A God help them, they never drowning down there. You hear me tell you? So, me hear people attack, but me know better. What they say, who feels it now? Good, and me may feel it. Me no know if the whole house here we hold up in the storm, but I am trusting God that He will keep me in the midst of this storm. We will cut one cedar tree out of 100 meter them, and we did cut up the lumber and put it down for dry in the kitchen. And a good God thing say, me did make them boy come, and me did have to wait for them how long for. When time you talk to them a little days generation, most of the time you have to say yourself you are talking. But me beg them say, do all cock. See if you can come put on the back seat for me. That me then know say this a hurricane season is not one to play with. For when me look on the full moon, me say you see the moon there. The moon there's something for watch you know. So me did know say this was going to be me. Start up you know. See there? A good God thing saying me did make sure say me put on the little high in a buckle for rainy day for see you know. Once then cut off the little current, me can have little light in the house. Me then ask fitters to carry the two header but them come tie close to the house here so. And me make sure say me carry up the pig come put one back a kitchen. So that if any little thing in can out of hands with you. A singing start singing now you know. You hearing? Like a people when they buy river bank and them they place them in the know how they take them the chance you know. For when time water go take them the grab land and the land they go slide right off of the side the house and everybody gone ma down in a river. Hima. And around when live on the gully bank them in a town and something. Every striking time look a rainfall and the gully they flood. So you don't know how them decide which one of them they place. Even if me did tell for myself, say me go live at them the place there. From me, get the first leak. Half of one of them a storm. I would have said, not your drinker, man. No one second one could not catch me at the same place. People not take storm serious, but nobody in Jamaica not take nothing serious again, yes, sir. But me can't tell you no say. They have one thing where they say once bitten, twice shy. If you fool me one time, are you post for shame? But if you fool me two times, then I what the idiot. No must me, ma. Beryl now fool me behind. I wonder if flitters will make sure say put up the command for me at the fall cube. You know, say anyhow that boy never put up the foul them. Me and making go there right now, go run down every single one of them and put them up. For me, as me get me two little egg, and me can afford to start wash them way. Me a look can in a butcher, me a go there right now, go see if them they go out there so you can call them and put them up. Later!